MGM Resorts International, we are a gaming company. In Las Vegas, we have Mandalay Bay, Luxor, Excalibur, New York, Monte Carlo, the City Center Complex, which is Aria, Vdara, Mandarin, and Crystals, Bellagio, Mirage, Circus, and then MGM.
We are MGM's software provider and have been working with them for I think about 4 years. And our software is driving everything from those large outdoor marquees to everything in between.
Control basically all the digital space from what we refer to as the low-rise to the high-rise. We've got a ton of dynamic stuff out there. We've got restaurant screens all over, touch screens, interfaces, convention interfaces, got a lot of wayfinding, retail wayfinding, static wayfinding. Everything from the marquees down to mobile apps to touchscreen interfaces to guest room TVs, all that kind of flows through my veins.
Four Winds is a provider of software in the digital signage and interactive kiosk industry. And we have a great software platform, and then we combine that with a professional services offering to manage an implementation, project management, systems engineering, graphics design, and then we also provide hardware services to our clients as well.
I liked Four Winds, their software, but it was all PC-based. They didn't write it for the Mac. And so I sat down with Dave and I said, if you write it for the Mac, I'll go with your system.
We have a great content management system, and I think that attracted them to us first. And then I think it was really the relationship that we developed. They wanted to do a lot of innovative things in the industry, and they were looking for a company that was light on their feet and could support the great applications that they wanted to bring to the casinos. And in a property like this, the data is coming out of the property management system and the point of sale system and the sales and catering system, and then these large repositories of media content that are being produced, and then delivering those on multiple endpoints. So those could be big screens, indoor, outdoor, interactive, not interactive, little screens, and then going from public displays to personal displays.
The challenge now is starting to become, what is it doing? You know, my COO is starting to ask, okay, this is great, you've got all this digital platform in, but what's the payback on these? And so really that's comes back to analytics. I mean, analytics is really what's going to start driving all this.
The same file that's being sent out to the large LEDs is also being sent out to 90 plus table game signs and slot end caps and all of the other places where it needs to go in probably 3 clicks. You can have content play in the right places at the right time to achieve that objective and not have to manage it manually.
Basically I have one person that kind of runs all that, monitors all my systems. In fact, right here in the basement of this building, I have a woman that controls all the systems, and she can pull up at any time. She could load up all the marquees, see exactly if they're on, what's playing on. She could go in and tag all the steak restaurants, what's on the touchscreen, see people interacting with them, convention space, all that, monitor right from her desktop.
We're continually working to automate the entire deployment of content, so different content plays based on different triggers to achieve whatever their business objective is. Sell more entertainment, book more restaurants, encourage more gaming. MGM is such a great team because they can come up with these phenomenal ideas for how they want to implement digital signage, and they're coming up with great ideas for these applications. And our software is helping them or enabling them to bring these to life. And it's really a great collaboration between the MGM team and our team.